Right, so hopefully you all understand where we're going. The showman's only going to take a bit of a line across here. So we have the two rollers. Paul's got his shades on because he's ready for it. Ready? On your marks! Oh, hang on, I better go out this way so you can see me. I don't want him cheating on that end and going before I say go. Oh, you can see me now. Right, on your marks. Get set. Go! Oh, Paul's off on the first one here. So Paul's going to the first cone. So showman's only taking quite a wide here. So Paul's by himself. So he's probably at the slight disadvantage. Wendy's got to do lots of steering. Come on, Wendy, work it. Work that wheel. So both the rollers are fairly equal. Paul's coming round now. That's the first one.
You can see how fast they're moving their arms. Jeez.
Make sure the back wheels go past that cone, Paul. Keep going. A little bit more. You know, jump off. No, only stay there. He's got to run. Come on, run the high five. Right, so Paul's been the first one to high five. Dave Ty's coming in second. So now we're going to go in reverse, back up the course and get to that back line again.
Oh,
Dave's just going reverse on his roller.
Just in the middle one, Scott.
So last little bit, Wendy, then you get to go in reverse then. Last little bit.
Look at the smoke.
So Paul's doing expertly by himself here. He's doing really well, all single-handedly.
Got the smoke on that.
There we go, the high fives happens, now we're going to come reverse. Oh, Paul's got a little bit off course there, that's fine. He's turning round. There we go, Paul's the winner on this one. So Dave's coming in second place in his roller. Maybe we should say that winner stays on, because Paul will have arms like Popeye after that, won't he? He can continue with that one. So the other roller's just coming into second place because, oh actually, hang on, so hasn't quite gone to the back line yet. Oh, it's all to play for. Look at this, the showman's only's come out expertly now, steered by Wendy. Oh, we are competing for second place. See, it's not over.
Come on.
Oh. Come on, don't lose in the last bit, Dave, come on. Right, there we go. Second place to the other roller and third place Britannia. So round of applause please for those first three engines. The Angel sits on this side. Now he's put three more engines together. Well, I think, Nigel, you just stay there, so I think we need the three agricultural engines together. The battle for agriculture. So I think the easiest thing, if Atlanta goes down the middle, Ben, do you mind just nipping over onto the far side to save the other two moving, please? If Ben just moves over to the other side. Gary and Elvis just eyeing up the competition. You got your team tactics sorted. You get me running. Well, that's going to be something if that's the most. Ben's just going to bring his engine over to the side.
Sorry. There's one round there. There's a bit round there, yeah. Just haven't cut through there.
Right, so we've got the battle of the three agricultural engines. So, we've got Gary and... Okay, right. Gary and Elvis on this one, on the Foster. So if you want to jump up and do your whistle, come on boys. Ladies, if you see Magic Mike, these are two of the people that are from it in the current series. Magic Mike. That's Melvin's grey shirt, and then you see. So we've got the Foster at this end. We've got Lanta with Dan Wood in the middle. Let's give us a toot, Dan. We've got Ben Brown just lining himself up on the outside. Now, of course, Ben's engine is used to go fast, but it is the winning engine that originally starts the traction engine movement all off. Ben, don't go too far back, because I can see Dan's already crept forward a little bit. You know what he's like, these cheaters. So Ben's already here, he's going straight back corner. So you, Ben, gives a whistle on yours, make sure you're ready as well. I don't know what you whistle, have you? Just got to shout. Yay! Right, so I'm going to move out of the way, because I'm going to get run over. Can you see me over there, Gary? On your marks, get set, go! So Old Timer's showing the lead there with Ben Brown at the controls. We're down with Atlanta in second.
Oh, that's the green one.
Gary and Elvis go out for a nice little jaunt for Sunday afternoon at this end of the field. Oh, Dan's always took out a cone again. Make sure his rear wheels go past the last cone. Right, so Atlanta's back started to reverse. Oh, so it's two engines go back already. Oh, Gary's Elvis is jumping off for high five. Oh, with Atlanta, guys, going to be the winner. Oh, look, I'll give us a whistle. So Atlanta outdoors, Atlanta's the winner in that round. Second place all time, has he got a whistle? Spencer's going to say yeah. And then third place to Gary and Elvis. Bit more practice for next year, boys. So we're very lucky, because what we're going to do is, a bit like a school, the winner stays on. So the final round is between the Speed Demon of Nigel Barker, we're having Paul on the roller, we're having Atlanta. So that is the final race then to see who's over the champion, because I do honestly think Nigel's going to be pretty quick. If that Dan's looking at me thinking there's no point, because we just know Nigel's going to win this, don't we? Right, so probably the easiest thing is, Nigel, can you nip down to this side? And then Paul, do you want to start edging forward a bit so you're a little bit closer, because I know you'll probably be a little bit on the slower side. So Nigel's going to go on the outside lane in between Old Timer and Dave Ty's engine. So like I say, Defiance is a lovely little quick engine here, so I should imagine everyone's going to have their work cut out. So yeah, you start from there, Paul. So I have a little bit of an advantage for the Puro roller. Right, you ready? So on your marks, get set. They're probably going the wrong way. It's that way, it's that way. Go! Come on, go! So there we go. So actually the rolling's done quite well. We gave him a little bit of a head start. Now Michael, can you make sure you run a little bit and make sure Nigel has to run? Make sure Nigel has to run. It's going to give you a high five. Come on, a bit of an advantage. No, run the other way, run the other way, he's got a high five. Oh, look at that, he didn't even get off. Go and high five on Dan's engine. Look at him reverse. Nigel expertly taking that one reverse. So now it's between the roller and Atlanta, we all knew for the Belgrade Meadow track, there's definitely going to be the winner now as the Chris Henry. So Nigel, a whistle for you for the winner of that one. So now it's between the next one, if Dan can avoid some more of the cones. Come on, Paul, take it for second place. A very, almost joint second. Congratulations to Peter and Lando Radio. So, look, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for being with us today. Thank you for watching the Steam Parade. I'm going to thank the Steam engine owners for staying here and a bit of fun with us. Almost got a smile out, Gary. So, thank you so much. Do go and see, they'll be on their pegs. We've got the tractors coming in, so if you're a tractor driver, you've got about 5-6 minutes for the tractors come in. And I pass you back to the cable Ashley, so you haven't got to listen to my voice any longer. And he's going to take over for the tractors. Thank you very much, engine owners. Go and grab yourselves a drink. We'll re-erect the cones that some people took a little bit of a shining to.
Well done, guys. What's that, mate?